Hi, I am Tom Anderson, Senior BlackBerry Developer Evangelist with Research in Motion. In the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new program that we call the 10K Developer Commitment. We're going to cover what the 10K Developer Commitment is, what it's all about. We're going to talk about how your application can qualify for the 10K Developer Commitment, and I'm going to give you all the details I can in the next 5 minutes. So let's start out with what exactly the developer commitment is. In a nutshell, we are so committed to BlackBerry 10's success that we are certain your application will make at least $10,000 USD in the first year, or we will pay the difference. Now, don't think of this as RIM paying you to develop for BlackBerry 10. It is our commitment to you that quality applications will make at least $10,000. We're betting that your quality applications will make that in the first year. We're just kind of providing an insurance policy, a financial cushion, if you will. Of course, certain terms and conditions apply, but first, let's look at the steps required. Step 1, register as a vendor. If you haven't already, you should. So load up your browser, go to developer.blackberry.com, and at the very top you'll see an App World link. Click the App World link. Here you'll get a lot of information about BlackBerry App World and the services it provides, but right here at the top you see Become a Vendor/Login. Click that button, and this will bring you to the vendor portal for BlackBerry App World sign up. So go ahead and follow the steps here and sign up as a vendor. Next, you're going to register for signing keys. Now, signing keys are required in order for you to verify who you are in the application that you build. Getting signing keys is free and really easy to do. We're going to go back to our main portal, developer.blackberry.com, and we're going to scroll down here to the bottom where it says App World, get your signing key. We click that link, and that'll take us to the page that allows us to request signing keys. Simply fill out this form. 2 files will be sent to you, and you'll be able to create your own signing keys. Next, you need to build your application. Build your application with the SDK of your choice, either C, C++ native SDK. You can use the HTML5 BlackBerry WebWorks. You can use C++ along with Qt and Cascades, or you can use ActionScript and Adobe AIR. Any of these SDKs will qualify for the 10K program. After you've built your application, submit your application to BlackBerry App World for testing. Once it's passed BlackBerry App World testing, then you want to request Built for BlackBerry testing. Now, Built for BlackBerry testing is a program designed to identify those applications that really shine on BlackBerry 10. Once your application has passed the Built for BlackBerry testing, then you are eligible for the 10K Developer Commitment. I mentioned earlier there's a little bit of fine print, so let's talk about the fine print. To qualify for the 10K Developer Commitment, couple of things you have to do. First, you have to agree to the 10K Developer Commitment terms and conditions. Those are available out on the website. You need to submit an application to the Built for BlackBerry program and have it qualified. You are able to submit multiple applications for the Built for BlackBerry program. However, only one will qualify for the 10K Developer Commitment. And that one will be the one that generates at least $1,000 first. So that's one of the qualifications, is you have to generate at least $1,000 USD in the first 12 months from your net revenue share. This $1,000 is from paid downloads and or in-app purchases through the BlackBerry payment services. You also need to have at least 100 unique downloads in the first 12 months and remain for sale for the entire 12-month period. This is a limited funds offer and will continue until the $10 million fund pool is exhausted and apps funded by RIM are not eligible. So finally, let's talk about dates. In order to qualify, there's some important dates you need to know. You can start right now. Register yourself as a vendor. Register for your signing keys and start building your application. Applications for BlackBerry 10 will be accepted in BlackBerry App World starting October 10th. So 10/10. You can start putting in BlackBerry 10. You must request your Built for BlackBerry testing by January 21st, 2013. Now, this is a hard and fast date. Remember, in order to request Built for BlackBerry testing, you have to pass App World testing first. So make sure you get your app submitted to App World as soon as possible, because it may take up to 8 business days before you get approved in BlackBerry App World. So if you submit your application to BlackBerry App World on January 20th, chances are you're not going to be able to enter the request for Built for BlackBerry by the 21st. So make sure you get into App World as soon as possible. The 10K developer commitment. What is it? Basically, it's a cushion. It's an insurance policy that RIM is telling you that you will make at least $10,000 in the first year, or we'll pay the difference. How do you qualify? You need to develop a qualifying application. You need it to pass the App World testing, and you need it to pass the Built for BlackBerry testing. You also have certain conditions around it, like you need to generate $1,000 in revenue within the first year. You need to have at least 100 unique downloads. And there's some other conditions. You can get all your the details at developer.blackberry.com/built-for-BlackBerry/commitment. Or if you can't remember all that, just go back to developer.blackberry.com. Scroll down towards the bottom, you'll see Built for BlackBerry Apps. This will give you all the information about Built for BlackBerry, and right here you can click on the 10K commitment to get all the information about the 10K commitment. Okay, so that's a quick introduction to the 10K Developer Commitment Program from BlackBerry. I'm Tom Anderson, Senior BlackBerry Developer Evangelist with Research in Motion, and we'll talk again.